friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, today we will see multiple choice question of Constitution of India. Friends, for all competitive exam, watch our complete video, like it, share it, comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So friends, we will see multiple choice questions of Constitution. Question number 1. The fundamental duties were included in the Constitution of India by which of the following Amendment Act? Answer is option number D, means 42nd Amendment Act. Explanation for this question. Fundamental duties were incorporated in the Indian Constitution by the Constitution 42nd Amendments Act 1976. Question number 2. The fundamental duties are mentioned in. Answer is option number A, part 4th A. Explanation for this question. The fundamental duties of citizens are mentioned in part 4th A of the Indian Constitution. Question number 3. Which of the following article of the Indian Constitution contains fundamental duties? Answer is option number B, means 51A. Fundamental duties are 51, article 51A. Explanation for this question. The fundamental duties of citizens are mentioned in article 51A of the Indian Constitution. Question number 4. Which of the following are fundamental duties? Answer is option number D, all the above. Means number A, safeguarding public property. Number B, protecting the sovereignty, integrity and unity of India. Number C, developing scientific temper and humanism. Explanation for this question. It shall be the duty of every citizen of India, number A, to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. Number B, to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom. Number C, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Number D, to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. Number E, to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic and regional or sectional diversities, to renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of woman. Number F, to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. Number G, to protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures. Number H, to develop the scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform. Number I, to safeguard public property and to observe violence. Number J, to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity so that the nation constantly rises to higher level of endeavor and achievement. Number K, who is a parent or guardian to provide opportunities for education to his child, or as the case may be, ward between the age of 6 and 14 years. So friends, these are fundamental duties. Article 51A. Question number 5. Which of the following committee suggested incorporating fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution? Answer is option number C. Swaran Singh Committee. Explanation. Fundamental duties were incorporated in the Indian Constitution by the Constitution 42nd Amendment Act 1976 upon the recommendation of the Swaran Singh Committee. Question number 6. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution contain the right to religious freedom? Answer is option number A. Article 25 to Article 28. Explanation. Article 25 to Article 28 of the Indian Constitution contains the right to religious freedom. Question. Article 25. Number 1. Subject to public order, morality and health, and to the other provisions of this part, all persons are equally entitled to freedom of conscience and the right freely to profess, practice and propagate religion. Number 2. Nothing in this article shall affect the operation of any existing law or prevent the state from making any law. Number A. Regulating or restricting any economic, financial, political or other secular activity which may be associated with religious practice. Number B. Providing for social welfare and reform or the throwing open of Hindu religious institution of a public character to all classes and sections of Hindus. Explanation. First. The wearing and carrying of kirpans shall be deemed to be included in the profession of the Sikh religion. Explanation 2. In subclause B of clause 2, the reference to Hindus shall be construed as including a reference to person professing the Sikh, Jain or Buddhist religion, and the reference to Hindu religious institution shall be construed accordingly. Article 26, we will see Article 26 of Constitution. Subject to public order, morality and health, every religious denomination or any section thereof shall have the right. Number A. To establish and maintain institution for religious and charitable purposes. Number B. To manage its own affairs in matters of religion. Number C. To own and acquire movable and immovable property, and number D. To administer such property in accordance with the law. We will see Article 27 of Constitution. No person shall be compelled to pay any taxes, the proceeds of which are specifically appropriated in payment of expenses for the promotion or maintenance of any particular religion or religious denomination. We will see Article 28 of Constitution. Number 1. No religious instruction shall be provided in any educational institution wholly maintained out of state funds. Number 2. Nothing in clause number 1 shall apply to an educational institution that is administered by the state but has been established under any endowment or trust which requires that religious instruction shall be imparted in such institution. Number 3. No person attending any educational institution recognized by the state or receiving aid out of state fund shall be required to take part in any religious instruction that may be imparted in such institution or to attend any religious worship that may be conducted in such institution or in any premises attached thereto, unless such person, or if such person is a minor, his guardian has given his consent thereto. So friend, these are Article 25 to 28 of Constitution. Question number 7. Which of the following article of the Indian Constitution guarantees equality before the law and equal protection of law within the territory of India? Answer is option number B, 14. Article 14. Explanation of this question. Article 14 of the Indian Constitution guarantees equality before the law or the equal protection of the law within the territory of India. Question number 8. Which article of the Indian Constitution abolish untouchability? Answer is option number D, Article 17. Explanation. Article 17 of the Indian Constitution abolish untouchability. It states untouchability is abolished and its practice in any form is forbidden. The enforcement of any disability arising out of untouchability shall be an offence punishable in accordance with the law. Question number 9. Which of the following is correct with respect to right against exploitation? Answer is option number A, prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Explanation. Article 23 to Article 24 of the Indian Constitution contains the right against exploitation. Article 23. Number 1. Traffic in human beings and the beggar and other similar forms of forced labor are prohibited, and any contravention of this provision shall be an offence punishable in accordance with the law. Number 2. Nothing in this article shall prevent the state from imposing compulsory service for public purposes, and in imposing such service the state shall not make any discrimination on grounds only of religion, race, caste or class or any of them. We will see Article 24 of Constitution. No child below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factory or mine or engage in any other hazardous employment. Question number 10. In which part of the Indian Constitution the fundamental rights are provided? Answer is option number B, part 3rd of Constitution. Explanation. Part 3rd of the Indian Constitution mention the fundamental rights of the citizen. So friends, these are objective type of question for all competitive exam. So friends, thank you.